Communication within the group of elephant, that is the herd of elephant, is a very interesting concept, and let's talk about that to understand the behavioral pattern of animals, an important topic under psychology optional. Now, what happens, there are two groups under elephant herds. One is the male herd and other is the female and the children. Right now, this male herd is called as bachelor herd. However, no further studies have been done which could give exact findings, but for the female herd, there has been a study which quotes that the eldest member of the female group, when it sees a water hole, it would actually flap the ears, and that would create acoustic sounds, and through this acoustic sound it would communicate to the remaining herd that here is the water source, we need to come and have the water. So the children would go along with the female members and would feel protected, and this sound actually is an indicative of the idea let's go rumble, and this concept helps them to keep themselves together, to protect from any predation, and to develop a communication which is based on acoustic skills. And therefore, this is one of the important researches that have been done recently. Many such interesting topics in psychology on communication will be bringing in for your answer writing, and definitely you can go on to the postal course for answer writing to get complete details onto it. Thanks for joining in.